2001: A Space Odyssey, directed by Stanley Kubrick and released in 1968, is a film about a space voyage to Jupiter with a computer named HAL after a monolith is discovered by a group of apes, which in turn causes human evolution. The film is themed around topics such as technology, human evolution, and artificial intelligence. One tactic used in getting these themes across is the use of sound within the film. In an interview, Stanley Kubrick says, "But it's the ambiguity of all art, of a fine piece of music or a painting. You don't need written instructions by the composer or painter accompanying such works to explain them." Although he was talking about the overall film, this quote can be focused on the sound of the film specifically. The use of it doesn't need to be explained. It's part of the film watching experience to figure out why sound was used the way it was, which is what I'm going to be doing today. First and foremost, a score is used as the basis for the shots used instead of using the shots as a basis for the score used. One example of this is at the beginning of the film. The film is edited to fit the extent of the piece of music being used. The film also uses silence to create suspense as opposed to sound. There are also a lot of internal diegetic sounds, such as buttons being pressed and breathing. One film that comes to mind as being similar to 2001 is Gravity, released in 2013 and directed by Alfonso Cuarón. There is one particular part of each film that is strikingly similar. In Gravity, it is when Sandra Bullock's character is spinning uncontrollably into space.
Houston, I've lost visual, Dr. Stone.
And in 2001, it is when one of the astronauts, Frank, also tumbles away from the Discovery. These films are also similar in that they both are trying to characterize the painfully slow and silent pace of outer space.